Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you all doing today? If you have a garden and you don't have this tool, come on. You have to have this tool. You could have all the machine in the wall. This, you have to have this tool. You see, I went and cut my own stick and I have my hoe. We call it a hoe. So I'm going to show you guys, how I use this hoe. I'm preparing the garden for spring. So I'm start growing, doing all different things. But right now I'm just showing you guys how this hoe is important. If you want to plant potato, edos, all those kind of stuff, this is very good for it. Very good for that. You see this? Okay, so this bank that I'm digging, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some manure and I'm gonna dig some holes and I'm gonna put them in the holes and leave them. So by the time I'm ready to plant, everything will be rotten and ready. I'm gonna show you something. Okay, watch what I'm gonna do, right? You see this? This is dry grass. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take these dry grass and I'm gonna put them in these holes. You see what I'm doing? I'm getting dry grass. I'm opening the holes them and I'm taking this and I'm stuffing it down inside here and cover it, just cover it a little. Let me get another one. have 2 months. I'm preparing for 2 months ahead. So by the time 2 months hit, this grass gonna be rotten, and all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be digging back the holes and just plant my stuff inside them. So this is organic vegetables, nothing added. And let me draw this to you guys. The soil that I'm having is rich soil. You see, when you see soil like this, it's rich. It's no red, it's dark soil. So I have real good soil to produce, but all I do every year, I try to add the dry bush to help keep it going. Because the more you plant, the more the plants suck the substance from the soil, so you're gonna make it weaker. So what I do, I always try to put back these dry grass to bring back the strength. So I don't like chemicals, I don't like those kind of stuff. So I try to do my thing the natural way. So this is ready. So by the time 2 months from now, when I'm ready, these things ready to plant, they're already rotten. So this is very important when you planted organic vegetables. You don't need nothing. So that grass gonna be feeding the plant along the way. Because it's gonna keep rotting, and it's gonna be, the plant gonna be sucking from that. So you don't need to add no fertilizer, nothing. Just grass and dry bush and rotten wood. Nothing more. Well, I know a lot of people really do not have the access to these things, but you could also do it in a flower spot. Okay, let me show you. You could get container like these. You could basically do the same thing. You know, you could get container like these and fill them with dirt. Okay? You see? You could get container like these and you could fill them with dirt. And you could also plant. You see? You ain't got to have the land. You could have a few of these and just plant your tomato, your cat, whatever you want to plant. Okay? So there's many ways you could have your garden. You could have these on your back porch, wherever. It's really exciting doing your gardening, but it takes time and it takes knowledge. So this is why I'm trying to teach you guys how to go back to the garden, how to dig, plow the garden, how to plant, how to set seed. So just follow my videos and you're gonna get a lot of information. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because there are gonna be lots of videos with lots of information coming your way. Alright? So I'm gonna just dig another bed again and do the same thing. I still have 2 months to prepare. I have this whole place to dig up. I'm gonna be planting edibles, potato, cabbage, cucumber, kale, a lot of different things I'm gonna be planting. So stay tuned. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys for watching.